Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to send a payment request on PayPal. Open PayPal. This app icon looks like a white P on a blue background. You will find this app on your home screen, in the app drawer, or by searching login if prompted. Tap request. You will see this centered at the bottom of your screen. Tap the first text field to enter a name, email, or mobile number. As you type, suggestions from your contacts or recently contacted will appear. If you do, skip to the next step. When you are done typing an address or number not listed as a contact, you will see a drop down that says request from. Tap that to continue. Enter the amount you want to request. Using the keypad offered, type the amount you want to request. If you don't want to collect the default currency type, tap USD to change to a different currency. Tap next. You will see this below the keyboard. You can proceed if the value is $0. Customize your request. You can tap add a note if you want to include details as to why you are requesting the money. Tap request. Now after you tap that, you will be directed to a confirmation page that the request has been sent. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.